Want to know how to refer a friend in TaskRabbit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up TaskRabbit.com on your web browser and you should be provided with this dashboard right here. So if you don't have this dashboard, make sure you are logged in. So once you've done all of that, on the top right side you should be seeing various navigation bar, and right beside book or task you should be seeing get $10. So you can just simply select that. So this is basically refer a friend where you get rewards. So if you help a friend, you will get $10 for it. So for that, you can just simply enter your email address and invite them by selecting send invite, or just simply copy link and send it to any one of your friends, maybe WhatsApp, Instagram, and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily refer a friend and get rewards in TaskRabbit. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.